So basically in our this project we are providing a platform to college societies so that they can register and publish their upcoming events, and students can see all these events and then they can register in those events. And here for issuing the tickets of any event we are using blockchain technology, and we are issuing the tickets as a NFT. We are using here blockchain because this process of issuing NFTs as a ticket will be more transparent, secure and efficient, as we are issuing NFTs for each ticket, so no one will able to duplicate these tickets, and these NFTs are non-transferable, so only one person can use one ticket. So here first we are deploying our sync event smart contract, and then by using that contract we can deploy other NFT ticket contracts, and in those contracts then we can issue tickets to users. So first of all we can see that there is no events in our this app. So for listing events and for registering in events we have to first sign up here. So if we want to publish our events, so we have to sign up here as a society, and if we just want to register in events then we can sign up here as a student only. So now first let's register as a society. So after filling all the details we will click on sign up, and then it will register our account in our database, and after registering we can log in here. So as we have login here, so here we can see our profile, and also we can publish our events here. So here we are publishing events on blockchain, so for that we have to use a crypto wallet. So on here profile section we have two options. First is create a new crypto wallet. So if we click on this button then our backend will automatically create a crypto wallet for this for this account, and then we can publish our events. Because for publishing events first we have to deploy the NFT contract for this specific event, so for that we need crypto wallet. And if the user already have any crypto wallet then the user can connect their MetaMask wallet here. So here let's first create crypto wallet so that we can publish our events. So by this way we can create our wallet, and here we can see that wallet public address is displayed. So now our account's wallet is created, so now we can publish our events. So for that here in publish events we have to fill all these details. So after filling all these details we can publish our event by clicking here, and after publishing our event we can see that this event is displayed here on the home page. So here for publishing event first we deployed a NFT contract for this event specifically, and now we have to, when we register in this event, so then we will issue NFTs from that contract. So for publishing this event also first we deployed another NFT smart contract for this event specifically, and now when we register in this event, so at the time of registering we can issue a NFT to that user who want to register in this event. So now I have opened this website after sign out. So you can see that these two posts are still here, and here we have option for sign up and sign in. So this time let's sign up as a student. So after sign up now we have to log in. Now again we can see that we have to create a new crypto wallet for this account, or we can connect our existing MetaMask wallet with this account. So now again let's create our new crypto wallet so that we can register in events, and we can see the public address of this wallet here. So for registering we can go to learn more tab, and here we have option for registering in this event. So currently in our profile section we can see that we don't have any event, and when we click on here in register in this event button, and for registering us in event it will issue a NFT from that NFT contract of that event. In our crypto wallet the NFT as a ticket will be minted. So here the register button is gone, it means that we are registered in this event. And also when we click on here in this profile button, so we can see that we are registered in this event.